We made an overlay for the entrance door, exactly the same as our interior doors. In order to reach the same height as the other doors, we made about flower and stretched everything with a common platband, thereby we were brought to the same height. The portals have decorative brass insert parts. These elements are also present in the large mirror, where there is also such a brass layout. Our sockets are black, and they are integrated into the skirting board of the high skirting board, thus they are not conspicuous.